With this Husqvarna Viking Designer Diamond Royale, you have a straight stitch throat plate included. Now, if you're watching this video and you do not have one, this is a great thing to have for machine quilting. When you're doing piecing, what it does is stabilizes the needle so it only goes down that center position. If you're doing a lot of, like I said, free motion quilting, that fabric's going back and forth and it really keeps a perfect stitch. Sometimes when people are sewing on triangles or corner to corner, sometimes that corner will kind of get sucked down into that big throat space. This keeps it from doing that. Now this is pretty cool. This is censored, and I will tell you, until about a minute ago, I'd always looked at these two plates together and wondered, how does the machine know when I put this on? Watch, we are on a decorative stitch. So I'm going to go ahead, take my screwdriver, lift up on a corner, either one will do. I'm going to take that off, and as soon as I put this on, the difference is, I didn't even notice it, but right here there's a little holder or a little opening. This is the traditional throat plate, and that is over a sensor, little tiny guy here. So I'm assuming that when I put this plate on, it triggers that sensor, because watch, when I click that on, it automatically takes me to a straight stitch, and if I pick a zigzag, well, nothing's going to happen except I'm going to get a big message. Machine is set for center needle straight stitch. For all other sewing, remove this plate or deselect stitch width safety in the set menu. Okay, so we know that I'm not going to accidentally go zigzagging and break a needle just because I have the plate on. That is a fabulous feature. We always have had to have that. I've either had to go set it or remembered when I took it off, like, why couldn't I do my decorative stitches? Well, I still had that setting on, or I still had the plate on. So what happens here is when I go ahead and switch back to the regular throat plate, it will say straight stitch plate has been removed. Stitch width safety is still active. Here we go. Touch OK to deselect the stitch width safety. So as soon as I touch OK, I will be able to be selecting my regular stitches and have a zigzag capability. So once again, it really perfects your 1/4 inch seams, your free motion quilting, and anytime you could even, and definitely for embroidery, totally forgot that part. For embroidery, you're always using a needle in the center position. That's the only way it does embroider. So utilize the straight stitch throat plate. Your machine won't let you goof at all, now with the new technology.